Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're also doing another unboxing box with Babylist. So this is also an app where you could just, for example, I already have the Amazon baby registry, so I just add it up to the Babylist and tell them that I already have one, so then they can send you also a box full of baby stuff. And all you have to pay is $5, which is not bad, to be honest. Well, I haven't opened it, but we'll find out. But this is how the box looks. It's just plain. The sticker says Babylist, and other than that, that's all. This is how it looks. It says parenthood is a trip. We're thrilled to take you. Oh, we're thrilled to take the ride with you. And then that's all. And then it has a sticker. It says also Babylist. The first thing is a booklet. Spring 2019 Baby Registry Guide. Okay. Well. Oh wow. So it's just information of car seats, strollers, cribs, car seats, strollers. It's just brands of car seats and stuff, but and then okay, so then you have a bottle, and it's from Even Flow. I get for you, and it's also 4 ounces. And yep, I was trying to see the size of the nipple, but I really don't want to open it. I feel much better if it's closed from my future kid, because we are actually planning to have another one, but in the future, not yet. And then it's a Cotter's little onesie, and it's size 3 months. Oh, it's super tiny. Extra 15% off your $30 purchase. It's a coupon. And then it's a pamper. Oh, it's a pamper bag. I mean, not a pamper bag, but this is the brand Pampers, and it's a bag. It comes with, let's see the inside. Oh, it has 1 diaper and some wipes. These are my favorite wipes. I know they're very thin, but that's the thing. I like them thin because I feel like the Huggies are so thick. I don't know, it's just me, but I like these. I really like them. And then it comes with also a little booklet, just information, some coupon for your Similac, and then some coupons. There are also coupons for Pampers, Pamper wipes, $2 off on your Drift. And yeah, not bad. I love coupons that I can actually use. So sorry, let me answer this really fast because it's my boo. And then yeah, Pamper. And then there's this thing, never seen this brand. Oh, this brand. It's Noodle and Boo. When only the best will do. Okay, that rhymes. So this is, I don't think the first thing has something. Oh, I don't know. So it's a newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash, and then a lotion. Never heard these brands, so it's good to try new things for newborns because, like I said before, there's newborns that are sensitive, also they're normal. Okay, and then there's this, and it comes with 2 nursery pads and 2 breast milk storage bags. And then there's this baby K10. It's a pouch Never seen this brand either. I see a paper inside, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's 20% off, and it's for baby carriers, diaper bags, blankets, and then okay, I see there is a pacifier from the same brand of the bottle, and this is a size of a one. Size 1. Oh, you can even put it on the microwave. Okay, that is awesome. Okay, so this is a bag. You open it from here. I don't want to open it because Anastasia doesn't use a pacifier, but maybe my future kid can. But you open this part, you put water. You put how much water? I guess a little bit of water. It says it's somewhere on here. You can reuse this bag 5 times, and it makes the hot steam help sanitize your pacifier. So you can use this bag 5 times, and that's amazing. That's really good. You can probably even use it for something else, like the pacifier, the nipples of the bottles, or anything in general. And then there is this thing. It's just a cream for your nipples when you're breastfeeding. And then there's a bunch of little papers here. It says, today I got my Hello Baby box from Babylist. Yes, we believe in the value of memory. So it's just this. Save 20%, $20 on any baby monitor. Ooh, any baby monitor with this code. But yeah, Havana. And then there's another one that is $20 off your baby monitor, I guess. Oh yeah, baby monitor as well. Oh, and then $20 for clothes. You can buy clothes. And then so $20 off your first Instacart order. So if you're home and you don't want to go out to buy groceries or whatever, it gets they deliver for you. Oh, I have more. So then I have this little card. I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is. It says the happy family is registered at babylist.com. So I guess okay, maybe you give this in the invitations. When you give the invitations, you put this little paper in the envelope, and then you give it to people, and that's what it is, I guess. And last but not least is the water wipes, and it's 99% of water, and $1 coupon of your first, $1 off of any water wipes. So yep, that's all you have in the box. So it's actually very worth it. You only pay $5 for shipping. I think this is a really good deal because you have a lot of good things: the pacifier, the bottle, and all the coupons, wipes, diapers. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it? Do you guys like it? Like I said, just download Babylist app, and if you have a baby registry already, you can just add it in the app and you get your box. Super fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.